Yeah, yo, what's up? My name is Jeffrey. I give the full intro now. Let's go to Singapore. These are all trash things only. Come. Intro's
My
over now.
God.
Come. Content.
This is not over. Hey guys.
Content. Come.
Hey guys, Jeff and Mario and you're watching me on my channel, Jeff Mario, and today it's a whole new video back on my channel. We are here at Expo and we're here with the boys, Aku, Noel.
Hey,
Yo guys, what's up? Yeah. So we are right behind, we are in front of Singapore Pavilion. So we'll be going there first. I'm really nervous and these guys are super awkward as well. So let's see. Probably gonna mute all that, you know that, right?
Kya, bro?
Singapore Pavilion, it's mostly like greenery and stuff, and here we can see a lot of plants. Basically it's the Singapore's ergonomic, you know.
You can see me also, I'm very green, bro. I'm very friendly green.
Very green, yeah.
Very green.
Totally. So here they have good stuff, basically a lot of plants and stuff like
Nonsense. Nothing is good. Only plants is there. I can see in Discovery Gardens also. What shit? Nothing is there.
that. Okay, backstory, he lives in Discovery Gardens.
Yeah.
That's a place in Dubai. So anyways, people. Also we have Darshan here with us.
What's up, guys? What's up?
Last time he promised a giveaway which he didn't do.
Yes.
He will
And
surely do it.
Today I gave giveaway for all expo tickets.
Yeah, sure.
All sponsored by
Definitely not free for
Season
children.
passes.
Season
for
pass.
6 months free.
Oh damn, thanks bro.
Yeah,
Like
so
totally
big
paid like
sponsor.
400
Yeah, okay.
dirhams, right? Yeah, 400 bucks. That's
400
about.
bucks for everyone.
Yeah, sure.
400 bucks for each person.
Yeah, right. Guys, we're finally done with the Singapore Pavilion, and in the end of each pavilion, if you didn't see Instagram that much, we have a passport. So he has a passport as well. So in this passport, we'll be getting our stamps from each country. I think there's about 217 if I'm not wrong. So right now we'll be getting the stamps. You can see it. Thank you. Yo, so we're with Jerome right now. Yeah, the main guy of the vlog, the center of attention, everyone's dream, Jerome Biju. Yeah, rest of the boys are right here.
Yo.
Guys, say hi. Yep. So right now we're in the Terra Sustainability Pavilion. It's pretty hot outside actually, and this is kind of like a pathway. Yeah, we have Paul here, the main guy with the drip. There we go. So pray for him, recovering cancer patient. Yeah. What do you see, Paul? Yeah. So let's just see what's here. So it's just basically a small forest, nothing much, just a display with the forest. I'm using the mic. I hope you can hear me clearly. I might be speaking a bit too low, so apologies for that. So it's basically an out in the open pavilion, and that's what I was trying to say for all this while. Bloody stutter. Whatever. Here's a few stuff you can look at. We got some camels here, right here. Hello. And we got a camel taking a picture of a camel. That's something to see.
Music.
Sorry. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Please don't sue me. So there is like this game where they have to pedal and they have to win. Cancer Pandey is beating the Nair clan. Let's see who is the better cyclist here. Oh damn. Wheels of Destiny. We either become a cow in India or a butterfly in somewhere up in the Europe or a panda somewhere else. Reg. We have some kind of weird place and it's a good photography spot actually. Yep, I'm all alone here, someone help me out. There we go, just as I call for help.
Little bit. Okay.
So if you can't see anything, don't blame me, they didn't put lights here.
Yeah, blame the expo people, okay?
It's the expo, I'm sorry, but they basically have virtually very little lights, so if you can't
want,
see,
you come here and watch, okay?
yeah, Paco's inviting you to the Expo 2020, so just check it out. So this looks kind of dope. Oh, there is some bouncy thing here. We gotta jump, we gotta jump. We gotta jump, bro. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Yeah, bro, it's exactly like IMG. It's like so dark. I can't even focus my camera at this point. Damn. Sheesh. It actually looks quite lit.
Stand here 2 minutes and enjoy this.
Yeah. Welcome to the Hall of Consumption. What is this? Where I get fat? Most of these things are like educational. 1 milk coffee latte. It's showing what all it consumes for making that. The endless wardrobe. This is basically showing how fast fashion actually affects our environment. Press the button to reveal the product. This is basically all the information in a box of how much it takes to prepare one of these phones. So you press this button and then you have all that show up over there. It's pretty dope, you know, and most of the time we often don't realize all this stuff. So would you rather here? That's great. Would you rather to have 100 years into the past to 100 years into the future? Well, both are pretty good, but if I was in the past, I'd be probably rich because I know what happens in the future. But I'll just take a future. There we go. Basically, there's this lever thing, and then you have that in the screen. Pretty good. There's a lot of would you rather games here. Now here.
Now find $10 million in a subscription.
Money is important. There we go. 51% of the expo visitors agree with you. Wow. If Sick Moron was here, he would probably choose the first option because that man's desperate. Okay. Sorry if you're watching this, they know it right now. The setup, the art in this place is just immense. Like you could not really tell whether it's real or fake, and most of the things are just blended digitally with the nature, which is amazing. Look at this art. Amazing. Straight out of a Pixar film, to be honest. So here we have the scoreboard of what we think we chose. We didn't do all of that, we did some of that. It's pretty good actually. So this is basically how they used to pump water 5,000 years ago. I'm not a nerd, I just read it right here. Okay, so there we have it. Darshan's doing it. And it's pretty amazing how they had this type of engineering back then. So there's a lot of things to see here. I could never package that into one video. Definitely experience the thing live. That's the best you could do. No 4K or 8K could ever give you that immersive experience you have right here. Especially if you're a student, it's free for you, so just come here, and definitely recommend this place. And right now I think we're supposed to get our passport stamped, which I have it in my pocket right here. That's a pretty good experience so far. This was the sustainability pavilion and it was dope, to be honest. Now we're gonna stamp these passports right over here, and yep, we have so far stamped a few countries. So actually, yep, here we go. Thank you. So actually, a quick backstory. We got these passports for free from school. So we went with school. But if you're going to come alone without a school or whatever, you got to pay 20 dirhams for this. Yep, great experience today. And we got a lot more to visit actually. And we'll be joining the boys as well. They're waiting right there. Been vlogging a much, so they might be angry because we took time. Okay. You're holding it, so you're supposed to talk.
Yo guys, Abhinav here.
Yeah.
Subscribe,
Yeah.
like
Okay.
and comment
Okay.
and share the video.
To the bastards.
No, we just have to wait for payback and we get more content. That
Okay,
way.
okay, look at me.
Okay.
Round two.